In the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry. I'm in the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry. I'm cooking pelmeni, which is dumplings written in Russian. You guys asked me a ton of times if I could make a cooking video. So I have the opportunity. I'm in my new apartment where I'm living until Christmas. I might do a room tour if you want. I just went grocery shopping and I got onions, potatoes, greens, beans, tomatoes, potatoes. I need a chain. Replacement chain. Where you at? Potatoes, onions, mushrooms, cocaine, greens, eggs, meat. I never thought I would upload a video of me beating my meat. Off we go. I'ma beat my meat. I'ma beat my meat. I'ma beat my meat under the bed, under the sheet. Oh yeah, and butter. Guys, I fixed my gold chain. Yeah. Anton is vegetarian, so I have to do a vegetarian version and a carnivorian version. Wash the potatoes. Cook the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Smash the potatoes. Things you do for a video. Fun fact, mushrooms are neither fruit nor a vegetable, so they don't have an outer layer like the apple does. You don't wash them, because water will get into the mushroom right away and they will take away the flavor. Either scrub them with a hand to take the dirt off, or take wet cloth. But nowadays they're not grown outside anyway, so they typically are pretty good to cook right away. No. Carry on. So now I have this beautiful thing, olive oil, salt, and butter, and then mix it all together. I just realized that's quite a lot of dough.
Will Robin ihre Pfütze anzünden oder ich? Ja, richtig, ich, nicht Robin. Muss mir schenken, Feuerzeug. Kein normaler Mensch so viel.
The vegan pelmenis are done. They taste very good. 5 stars, Michelin. Fazit. It was really good.
2 von 10.
Needed some more salt. Unfortunately, I only have chili salt. And Mr. Anton is not capable of eating.
Was? Dass ich kein Chili essen kann? Dein Arschloch brennt, nicht meins. Erzähl das von deinen Followern. Du bist der kein Schaf essen kann.
Warum beschwerst du dich dann?
Du hast doch gerade gesagt, du versuchst dich ja gegen mich
zu schießen. Ich habe gesagt, ich hole mir das hier, weil ich nur das brauche. Du sagst, welcher Haushalt hat nur kein normales Salz und kauft Chili-Salz?
Ja, sag, welcher Haushalt?
Mein Haushalt.
Und kein normaler Haushalt.
Ja.
Ja, und wir haben immer noch kein normales Salz. Durch das Chili-Pfeffer. Jetzt werden wir beide scharfe Arschloch haben morgen. Kann ich nur gratulieren. Happy Birthday. Bleibt.
Digga, ich fand's okay.
It's 4 a.m. now, and I realized I didn't say why I made pelmeni. It was because Anton, Bratan was coming. We're supposed to do skydiving tomorrow. Because it rained, it was canceled, so we have to reschedule it. And then I said, what you want to eat? And then he said, pelmeni. I said, bet.